All right, thanks for joining us here. I got one of these new Swiffer products with the Costco the weekend. I got them there on sale. So I got Swiffer, Sweep Mop, and Head. So it's supposed to have like the dry pads, the mop pads. So I'm doing some new flooring here, kind of a mess back here. But I'm putting this new vinyl plank flooring in, and the dogs have already got a lot of dirt on it. So I want to mop it because I don't want to get them all scratched up and dirty before I even get to enjoy it. So let's just rip this apart and try it out. All right, so I assume this is just going to snap in. All right, I'll push that down. There we go, click in. All right, so this is supposed to be able to extend out like that. And then there's two little tabs. One here, and then another one here. And it's back short again. And you can just hang it on a hook behind a door or something. The head's got a locking position there, so you can get up against on their baseboards and keep it flat. That's pretty cool. And then I got the mop pads, which is what I'm really interested in here. Oh, a little wet. Okay, there's 3 in here. So there's a Ziploc. So each one of these bags has got multiple ones. Okay. So it's got this little scrubbing leading pad there if you really want to scrub. So I guess I will put it like this where it locks so I can really scrub. Okay, I feel confused. Okay, I felt stupid, but maybe this will help other people in case you're feeling stupid too. So we got there it is. That's what I was looking for. It's the fold over tabs. There we go. Yes, here we go. Push them in, push them in, push them in. All right, let's give this thing a try. Here's an honest representation of what this thing can do with one pad. So from over here to right here, okay, and then all the way back here. This is a very big room. This is where I stopped, and you can see how dirty the pad is. So it's done a pretty good job, but like when you get a lot of dirt in here coming in from the outside of the dogs, obviously this is a 2-pad mopping job for this room. But given as much as my dogs run in and out of here and trying to keep it clean, like actually clean, this is going to just save me tons of time. I'll be completely honest with that. Don't have to worry about solutions or little bottles to add to a spritzer. Just throw the pad on and go and throw it away when I'm done. Guys, check out our links. Please share this video. Thanks again.